Hey everyone, Sean here. Well, I got a phone call this morning from my wife saying she couldn't get to work because her tire was flat. She was driving down the driveway and apparently her tire light had come on saying she only had 10 pounds of pressure. So I think I'll take you along the journey fixing this tire. Pretty easy. Hopefully that wind's not too strong where you can still hear me. But I'll show you the things you need. Unfortunately, I lost the video footage of opening and explaining the kit I actually used. The one you see on your screen right now is one with a T-handle, which is much better and far superior to using the screwdriver one. The screwdriver one actually hurts your hands quite a bit. If this is a kit that interests you, I will go ahead and leave an affiliate link in the description below. Alright, so the first step is going to be to get that out. I don't know where my wife was bolting off to, but see what I did there? But anyway, let's see if we can't get that out. Sometimes it can be a real pain in the butt trying to get these out, which this one may end up doing. It's too bad because these are brand new tires. Alright, it's coming. It's just being a pain in the ass. So one thing you want to do is make sure that all your stuff is ready to go. Good Lord. Look at the size of that thing. Well, we'll try with one plug. That doesn't work, then I'm going to have to put two. But we'll ream it out first. Yeah. On the reamer here. So we're off to our next step, and that's going to be attaching our plug. All right, the plug's pretty easy. All you got to do is insert it in the hole here. It is like 95 degrees out right now in South Carolina, and it is hot. So you want to put it about halfway on like this. And you can see how it's made, so you push it in, and then when you go to pull it out, it's going to slip right through this this crack in the tool here. So you want to push it in a good ways. All right, as soon as you get that in there, you're just simply going to pull it out, and you're going to check for leaks. So, like I was saying before, I have soapy water. It's kind of hard to do it at this angle, but then you just want to make sure that there isn't any leaks. Spray bottle would be a lot better here. And that looks good. So as you can see, it's really not that hard, and I even ran into a few different struggles along the way. But other than that, anybody can do this, really. I mean, if I needed to do it on the side of the road, I could easily do it on the side of the road. If you do keep spare plugs with you, keep them in a bag so they keep them from drying out. Other than that, go get it done. We'll see you on the next one.